Nani, being from Kohala, and I think you may have told me this story, but I don't remember it perfectly. I remember you saying something about Aloha e Kohala being a very special song. Can you share a little bit about what makes that particular song that Kumu wrote special?
Well, first, just that alone, Aloha e Kohala, bidding my home, that love, and then understanding that from way before, how we know all the family that I was told from when I was young that a lot of the Kohala people, or the nucleus of Hawaiian people, come from Kohala. And then they went out. Then all the family names started to go. But it began in Kohala. So when I think of all of that, I think of all of the people that are dear to us. And then I realized that when they were Cazimero, I was like, who are these people? Then I was told who they were. And then my Auntie Louisa, who used to dance with us, she was our MC of the show, she said, those are my nephews. She said, and that's your cousins. And we said, those are our cousins? And we were so proud of you folks. We're like, they said, Brothers Cazimero said, those are our cousins. I said, those are our cousins. And then it was continuous. Then I met your father when he was in Kohala. Then I know all of our other aunties. And we knew that, and my father would say, that's all of your cousins, all of them. And so that's how I knew who they were. And then, but especially, do you remember when we went to Pan Pacific and I did that? It's because I loved it so much, that song in particular. Yeah. And what the words were saying. But you were describing the areas, the places, and of course, the winds and all of those wonderful things in that mele, and your ohana, your family. And so I thought, precious.
Yeah, I love you.
How can I not
Yeah.
express that in the best way that I know how? Yes?
Como,
Yeah.
I have an idea.
I agree.
Standing up.
Onegai shimasu.
Let me think about it.